So just to give you an outline of the course, it's broken up into 6 sections. The first section is all about installing and setting up the software you'll need for the course. In the second, I'll explain the game template, how each scene works and how it connects together. In the third section, I'll show you how to create your own individual jigsaw pieces for your game. You can skip this section if you want and come back to it later. I've included a full selection of graphic assets to make the test game during the course. These assets are just for the test game, so please don't use them in your own game. Section 4 is the big one. This is where we start taking the supplied sample assets and make a new game from the game template. This course is not about reskinning an existing game. The template supplied works fine, but to turn into your game, you need to understand the basics of Unity and Fungus, and that's what this course is all about. In Section 5, we go through the project adding sound and making tweaks and changes. In the last section, Section 6, I'll show you how to export your project for publishing on the web and to Android devices. Lastly, something to keep in mind if you get stuck along the way while watching, if you hover your mouse over the top right hand corner of the screen, you will see Go to Dashboard. You click on this and then look for the Q&A tab. Check through the list of questions here to see if yours has already been addressed. If not, ask away. I'll be checking in Monday to Friday and I'll get back to you with answers as quick as I can. So now you're fully armed, let's get on with the course.